Close your eyes and think about the word forever. Human beings cannot truly comprehend it. We measure our lives in decades, our civilizations in centuries. Even our planet is just a few billion years old. But the universe? The universe operates on a clock that doesn't care about human time. Right now, as you watch this, the cosmos is slowly bleeding to death. Every second, a little bit of the universe's total energy is lost forever. It is a law of physics called entropy, an invisible thief stealing the light of the cosmos. And if we travel far enough into the future, past the death of humanity, past the destruction of Earth, we will find a universe that is completely unrecognizable. A dark, frozen ocean of nothingness, where one final, lonely monument of light is making its last stand. This is the ultimate fate of the last star, and the terrifying beauty of eternal night. Before the final star faces its end, it must face the isolation. We live in an expanding universe. Right now, galaxies are moving away from each other. But in the deep future, this expansion will accelerate to a breaking point. Space will expand faster than the speed of light itself. This will create a phenomenon known as the cosmic horizon. It is a point of no return. If you stood on a planet in this distant era, the sky would be terrifyingly empty. The expansion would push every other galaxy outside of your view. Even with the most powerful telescope, you would see absolutely nothing. The universe will literally quarantine its survivors. Every remaining star system will become an island in an infinite, black ocean. No visitors, no incoming light signals, just a profound, uninterrupted loneliness. The universe will become a series of isolated rooms, where the lights are being turned off one by one. When the grand theater of the cosmos goes dark, only the red dwarfs will remain. These are not the majestic stars we see in our night sky today. They are small. They are dim. They burn with a cold, eerie crimson light. But they possess a superpower: efficiency. A giant star burns through its fuel in a few million years, dying in a violent explosion. But a red dwarf is a cosmic miser. It circulates its hydrogen fuel so perfectly that it can live for 10 trillion years. That is a number followed by 13 zeros. To put that into perspective, our universe right now is only 14 billion years old. The last star will live through an era that makes our current universe look like a split second. It will be an ancient god ruling over a kingdom of dust. It will witness the universe growing colder and colder. It will watch its own planets freeze into solid blocks of ice. It will be the only warm thing left in existence. A solitary campfire burning in the middle of a global winter. But even 10 trillion years must come to an end. Eventually, the last drop of hydrogen is fused into helium. The nuclear furnace in the star's core begins to choke. Without the outward push of energy, gravity begins to crush the star from within. There is no beautiful supernova here. No spectacular colors splashing across the nebula. Because there are no nebulae left, the star simply shrinks. It turns into a white dwarf, then slowly cools down over trillions of more years into a black dwarf. A dead, cold lump of carbon and iron drifting in the dark. Think about the very last photon, the final particle of light that escapes this star. It leaves the surface and travels into the void. It flies through space for trillions of miles. But it will never hit a planet. It will never strike an alien ocean. It will never enter a human eye. It will just travel through an empty universe forever, completely unseen. The final light is extinguished, and the universe falls into a permanent coma. With the death of the last star, the cosmos enters the black hole era. For the next 100 trillion years, the only objects left will be black holes, feeding on the corpses of dead stars, until even they evaporate into nothingness through Hawking radiation. It is a concept that causes a strange, cosmic melancholy in our minds. But it also brings a beautiful realization. You and I, we are the lucky ones. We are living during the cosmic morning. We live in a time where space is loud, colorful, and teeming with potential. Our atoms were forged inside stars that died long ago, so that we could exist today to wonder about the future. We are the universe's way of thinking, feeling, and seeing itself before it goes to sleep. So look up at the stars tonight. Appreciate the light while it lasts. Because the future is long. The future is cold. And the final chapter has already been written.